morning, students. Welcome to biology class. Today, we will discuss a new topic, chromosomes, the carriers of heredity. The main objectives of our learning are introduction, chromosome number, structure of chromosomes, structure of DNA, replication of DNA, functions of chromosomes, types of chromosomes based upon the position of centromere, sex chromosomes and autosomes. Introduction. Chromosomes are small but thick, rod-like, darkly stainable structures which take up certain dyes and get colored. The word chrome means colored and the word soma means body, hence colored body. These are seen in the nuclei of the dividing cells only at metaphase and anaphase stage of cell division. Discovery of chromosomes. It was first discovered by Hofmeister in 1848 in rapidly dividing cells of a plant, Tradescantia, and called them nuclear filaments. And in animals, it was discovered by Walter Fleming in rapidly dividing cells of larvae of an amphibian called salamander. Chromosome number. Depending upon the number of chromosomes, the cells are said to be haploid and diploid cells. Diploid cells which contains only two sets of all the types of chromosomes, are said to be diploid cells, whereas haploid cells a cell in which all the types of chromosomes are present in a single set of chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes. The two chromosomes of one pair are exactly similar in shape, size, structure, and bear genes controlling same characters on the same loci are called as homologous chromosomes. Out of each pair of homologous chromosomes, one is shared by the female parent, maternal chromosome, and the other is shared by the male parent, paternal chromosome. Structure of chromosomes. Structure of chromosome is best studied during metaphase or anaphase of cell division. Each chromosome consists of two exactly similar rods called as chromatids. The two chromatids are joined together at a point called centromere. Parts of chromatids on the two sides of centromere are called arms. In each chromatid is present a highly coiled thread of DNA and proteins called chromonema. The chromonema bears darkly stainable granules called chromomeres. The chromonema is surrounded by a matrix which is covered by a covering called pellicle. Related terms. Sat chromosomes. Some chromosomes possess a small fragment or knob-like structure called as satellite. Such chromosomes are known as Sat chromosomes. Telomeres. The terminal regions on either side of the Sat chromosomes are known as telomeres. Chromatin. Chromatin material constitutes the fibers formed of two substances, 40% DNA and 60% histones. Nucleosome. Histones and DNA form a kind of complex in which DNA strands wind around a core of 8 histones molecules. Each complex is called as nucleosome. Nucleic acids. Nucleic acids have complex chemical structures composed of pentose sugars, nitrogen bases, phosphoric acid. There are two types of nucleic acids, DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, that is ribonucleic acid. Structure of DNA. DNA is a very large single molecule composed of two complementary strands coiled around a common axis in a double helix. It was shown by Jameson D. Watson and Francis H.C. Crick in year 1953. Each single-stranded DNA is made up of repeating nucleotides which have three components: phosphate, pentose sugar arranged lengthwise, and nitrogen base attached to the sugar inwards, which extends to join the complementary nitrogenous bases from the other strand by a double hydrogen bond as A double bond T and triple hydrogen bond. Replication of DNA. DNA replication is also known as semi-conservative replication. In the process of replication, DNA double helix opens at one end, making two strands free to which new strands begin to form. This process continues in a sequence for the whole length of DNA molecule. Functions of chromosomes. Number 1. The chromosomes forms the only link between the two generations. Number 2. They control the synthesis of structural proteins which help in cell divisions, cell repair, and cell growth. Number 3. Sex chromosomes determine the sex of the individuals. Number 4. Through the process of crossing over, chromosomes induce variations. Number 5. Chromosomes undergo mutations and contribute towards evolution of life. Number 6. They control cell metabolism. Types of chromosomes. The position of centromere varies in different chromosomes. The two arms of a chromatid may be equal or unequal depending upon the position of centromere. Based upon the position of centromere, the chromosomes are categorized into four types. Number 1. Metacentric. The centromere, which is present in the center of the two arms of the chromatid, are equal. During anaphase, such chromosomes appear V-shaped. Submetacentric. Centromere is slightly away from the center so that one arm is slightly larger than the other. They appear L-shaped during anaphase. Acrocentric. The centromere is present near one end of the chromatid so that one arm is larger than the other. Such chromosomes look J-shaped during anaphase. Telocentric. Centromere is at one end of the chromosome so that it looks I or rod-shaped during anaphase. Sex chromosomes and autosomes. Sex chromosomes. Chromosomes which determine the sex of an individual in sexually reproducing organisms are called as sex chromosomes. They are also called as allosomes or idiosomes. In human beings, female has XX chromosomes, hence called homo or isogametic, whereas male contains XY chromosomes called as heterogametic. Autosomes. All chromosomes other than sex chromosomes are always found in pairs of homologous chromosomes in diploid cells are known as autosomes. In human cells, 22 pairs of chromosomes are autosomes. Thank you.